come true. And may you feel this happiness all year round. Christmas is the season for peace, joy and fellowship with family and friends.
May your Yuletide spirit fill your heart and home
with an abundance of mercy,
contentment, laughter, and harmony.